Think spy gadgets are just movie props? Think again. In this video, we're diving into 18 spy gadgets that are truly on another level. The kind of tech that feels straight out of a secret agency's toolbox. From ultra-discreet voice recorders and hidden cameras to AI-powered wearables and powerful detection tools, these gadgets are built for stealth, security, and serious wow factor. Whether you're protecting your privacy, upgrading your personal safety, or you just love cutting-edge tech, this list is packed with smart, sneaky, and insanely cool devices you won't believe actually exist. Sit back and get ready to be amazed. DENSOR. The DENSOR is a clever pocket-sized privacy tool designed to help you find hidden wireless cameras and bugs before they catch you off guard. It uses high-sensitivity detection to scan your surroundings for transmitting devices, making it ideal for checking hotel rooms, rentals, and private spaces where you want peace of mind. Backed by successful Kickstarter crowdfunding, DENSOR impressed early supporters with its compact design and ease of use. Prices started from modest early bird pledges on Kickstarter, offering great value for a simple yet effective counter-surveillance device. The iZYREC is one of the smallest and most user-friendly spy voice recorders available, designed to fit discreetly in pockets, bags, or hidden spots while capturing high-quality audio. Weighing only about 18 grams with dual nulls. Sonic microphones and AI noise cancelling, it delivers clear recordings up to 1,536 kilobits per second and picks up sound from several meters away. Perfect for meetings, interviews, or evidence gathering. It offers up to 30 hours of continuous recording, plus long standby, with 32 gigabytes or 64 gigabytes storage for hundreds of hours of audio. Prices generally sit around $90 to $100 on retail sites, making it solid value for a powerful mini recorder you can control via companion apps for easy playback and file management. Car charger with voice recorder. The car charger with voice recorder is a clever stealth device that blends everyday functionality with covert audio capture. At first glance, it looks like a normal car USB charger, but it secretly records high-quality audio while powering your phone or gadgets, perfect for discreet meetings or capturing important conversations on the go. Specs typically include plug-and-play operation, built-in storage or memory support, and easy file transfer to your computer or phone. Backers on Indiegogo could pledge early bird prices that made this multifunctional gadget a great value for anyone wanting audio surveillance hidden in plain sight. Cam CCTV. The Cam CCTV IP camera from the Indiegogo campaign aims to blend everyday security with spy-style discretion. Basically, a compact Wi-Fi CCTV that doubles as covert surveillance for home or office. These types of cameras usually offer 1080p Full HD video, night vision, motion-activated recording, and live streaming to your phone via an app, so you can monitor in real time or review footage later. Ideal for peace of mind in busy or sensitive spaces. Prices on Indiegogo early bird tiers are often significantly lower than retail listings, which can range from modest budget models under $50 to more advanced wireless CCTV near $100, making it a popular choice for security-minded shoppers who want both value and performance. Anti-Spy Hidden Camera Detector. The Anti-Spy Hidden Camera Detector is a surprisingly capable little privacy tool that helps you sweep for covert cameras, wireless bugs, and GPS trackers wherever you go. It packs multi-band RF scanning, AI-enhanced detection, and 360-degree dual sensor coverage, plus IR lens scanning and magnetic detection for broader threat spotting. Alerts come through LED flashes, vibration, and audible beeps, making it easier to notice signals in noisy environments like hotels or offices. Compact and USB-C rechargeable, it's portable for travel. Typical online prices range around $47, offering solid privacy protection without a huge investment. Looktech AI Glasses. The Looktech AI Glasses are a striking fusion of everyday eyewear and next-gen smart tech that doubles as a spy-style wearable. With a 13-megapixel camera capable of capturing 4K images and 2K video, built-in GPT-powered AI assistance, and hands-free voice control, it feels like having a personal smart assistant right in your glasses. The ultralight design, approximately 34 grams, provides all-day comfort and up to 14 hours of battery life, while open-ear speakers and Bluetooth/Wi-Fi connectivity keep you connected without bulky headphones. Early bird backers on Kickstarter could secure these glasses for around $210, a compelling price for the blend of smart features, camera capability, and practical wearable design. RamPro Hide-a-Spare-Key. The RamPro Hide-a-Spare-Key Fake Rock is a simple yet clever tool for keeping a spare key hidden outdoors without drawing attention. Designed from weatherproof molded polyresin, it looks and feels like a real stone, letting you stash your house or car key under shrubs, in a rock bed, or beside a walkway without anyone noticing. Inside, a concealed tray holds keys up to about 2 3/8 inches long and 1 inch wide, giving you peace of mind if you ever lock yourself out. It's compact, low-tech, and typically very affordable. Often selling around $9 online, depending on seller and sales, making it a practical addition to home security and outdoor gear. Hidden camera. The 4K Wi-Fi hidden camera is a compact indoor spy gadget that blends discreet design with surprisingly powerful surveillance features. It shoots 4K Ultra HD video with a wide 150-degree field of view, giving you sharp, detailed footage of rooms, entrances, or activity hotspots, day or night. Night vision works without visible glow, and smart AI motion detection triggers recording when movements detected, helping save storage and battery life. The built-in 800 mAh battery supports several hours of continuous use, and you can save clips locally or to the cloud. Typical pricing online ranges from $30, making it a solid choice for hidden monitoring without breaking the bank. Plaud Note Pro AI Voice Recorder. The Plaud Note Pro AI Voice Recorder is an ambitious pocket-sized spy-style companion for meetings, interviews, and conversations. It uses AI transcription in 112+ languages with smart summaries, speaker labels, and contextual highlights, turning raw audio into searchable notes and insights, perfect for journalists or busy professionals. Ultra slim and lightweight, it offers up to 50 hours of continuous recording with a 4-mic array and AI beamforming to capture voices clearly from several meters away. It also includes 64 GB storage, a small AMOLED display, dual mode recording, calls plus in-person, and a free monthly transcription plan. Early pricing is around $180, making it a premium yet powerful tool for anyone who wants more than a basic recorder. Anti-Spy Hidden Camera Detector. The Anti-Spy Hidden Camera Detector is a portable privacy protection gadget built to help you quickly find hidden cameras, wireless bugs, and surveillance lenses in places like hotel rooms, offices, or rentals. It typically combines RF/signal scanning and infrared/laser reflection detection to reveal tiny camera lenses that would otherwise go unnoticed. Rechargeable via USB, it's lightweight and easy to carry on trips or daily use. Users report that it's intuitive to sweep with and effective for basic threat spotting. Similar detectors with these features usually sell in the $25 range, offering solid value for peace of mind. Faraday Bag. The Faraday Bag 5-pack. Large waterproof and fireproof RFID signal blocker is a practical privacy-focused spy gadget designed to shield your electronics from unwanted tracking, hacking, and signal leaks. Built with double-layer shielding fabric, it blocks Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, RFID, and other wireless signals when devices like phones, tablets, laptops, or key fobs are placed inside, helping protect personal data and stop remote access. These bags are also waterproof and fire-resistant, adding durability for travel or emergency use. Typical prices online for similar multi-pack Faraday sets range around $20 to $30, offering solid value if you're serious about digital privacy. MeowKit. The MeowKit, versatile device for makers is a pocket-sized multi-tool built on an ESP32S3 microcontroller that's designed for developers, hardware hackers, and tech creators. It packs a 2-inch color LCD, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support, GPIO expansion, and utilities for Bluetooth scanning, HID emulation, and wireless research, making it feel like a hacker's Swiss Army knife. Early bird Kickstarter pledges started around $80, with standard tiers near $100, which is excellent value for such a capable DIY gadget. Users appreciate its expandability and open-source SDK, though it's more of a maker tool than a traditional spy gadget. Body camera. The PonyCam body camera is a rugged, wearable spy gadget that delivers reliable video and audio capture for security, documentation, or personal protection. Many PonyCam models offer up to 1512 PHD recording, wide-angle lenses, and night vision for clear footage in low light, supported by a 3600 mAh battery that can last up to 13 hours on a charge. Ideal for long shifts or extended outings. It's typically waterproof and durable, with easy one-button recording and optional loop mode. Prices for similar PonyCam body cameras usually sit around $115 to $150 depending on memory capacity and seller, making it a strong choice for anyone wanting wearable recording without professional gear pricing. HAUSBELL Parabolic Listening Device for Adventure. The HAUSBELL Parabolic Listening Device for Adventure is a fun and simple directional sound amplifier that brings distant sounds and nature voices into clear focus, perfect for outdoor adventures, bird watching, or playful exploration. It combines an 8x monocular with a parabolic microphone that helps you capture and amplify ambient sounds up to around 100 to 50 plus feet in quieter environments, and includes a set of headphones for private listening. While its directional performance is best in open nature rather than busy streets, users enjoy boosting subtle sounds from far away and recording short clips for playback. On sites like Amazon and similar retailers, prices for this device generally fall around $40, offering good value for casual listening and outdoor fun. Magic Box S1. The Magic Box S1 isn't exactly a traditional spy gadget. It's a fingertip metal tactile toy that quickly became a viral, multifunctional stress relief tool on Kickstarter, raising well over its funding goal thanks to almost 2,000 backers. Crafted from premium metal and CNC machining, this ultra-compact device packs 10 different interactive features like buttons, rollers, and levers that deliver satisfying clicks and motion to help reduce anxiety or keep hands busy. Although not primarily a surveillance tool, it's pocket-friendly, durable, and intriguing for tech lovers. Early pledges mostly started around $45, making it a fun and tactile premium EDC gadget, rather than a traditional spy device.